My name is Marvin Balla. I'm a graduate of class of 2025 in automotive. One of the best reasons to come here is if you're a hands-on type of person, the automotive division is very hands-on. You get to learn as you go. The 2-year program, which I did, is a associate's degree, is the best out of the certificate. You get more time, more hands-on, you get more classes, and one of the best decisions I ever took is to follow my dream of working on cars and to perfect it with a degree. So I enrolled for automotive in Benjamin Franklin. It's been a dream, and I loved it every second, every day that I came in for classes. One of the best parts is the 2-year, the second year garage class when you get to work on cars as you were in the shop. Now I'm a technician in Nissan. I plan of learning more and perfecting myself in that position, and we'll see as we go.